DS4000S generator I got from Amazon for about $280. I think up around $300 now, but it came from Amazon, and I don't remember exactly how many watt it is. I think it's around 3,500, 4,000 peak. But either way, I bought it to run a 5,000 BTU air conditioner, and come to find out it'll run a 10,000 BTU air conditioner. Right, here's the box to a DuroStar DS4000S generator. And it's rated at 3,300 watts peak, 4,000 watts. I got this at Amazon for about around $280. They jacked the price up a little bit to close to $300 now, but it's still like $50 cheaper than that watt. It is sitting in the back of my truck. I got this to power a 5,000 BTU air conditioner. But come to find out, it'll power up a 10,000 BTU air conditioner. And it was pretty easy to set up. All I had to do is put oil in it, throw 10W30 oil, put gas in it, take the bracings out that come on it, turn on the gas, choke it, and it started right up. When you're not using the generator, you always want to make sure that valve is turned off, because it might leak gas. If you don't, it did with me. I'm going to start it up and let you listen to it run for just a little bit, just to know that it does run. And inside my truck, it powers up a 10,000 BTU air conditioner. Looks like the lights and stuff are flashing on this air conditioner, but that's only through the camera. If I'm looking at it straight, it's not flashing. And it does help keep cooler. The 10,000 does a little better job of cooling down than the 5,000. So it's good.